Some people are very funny in this country. Asari Dokubo was on Arise News today, where he was saying that he is disappointed at Tinubu because, or he's disappointed with Tinubu because of River State issue. You know, time without number, he have been saying this. But before we go into the details of what Asari Dokubo said, I just want to ask an honest question. Is Asari Dokubo going into politics, or is he trying to go into dancing? Because I don't understand anything with this video. I'm not laughing though, because I don't know what they are doing though. Whether they are doing spiritual something or cultural something, or they are just winding away time, or they are celebrating. I don't really know what they were doing there, but the dancing looks funny, you know. I don't know what it means. If you know what it means, let me know. However, listen to what Asari Dokubo said today.
Needs are very small. My needs are very small. So what I'm trying to say, and it's very clear, President Ahmed Bola Tinubu becoming president, I should be able to tell him the truth. And what is happening in Rivers State, where President Ahmed Bola Tinubu is supporting Nyesom Wike to destabilize Rivers State, to disturb the peace of Rivers State. And as a stakeholder in Rivers State, I feel disappointed, totally disappointed, for the president to allow his minister serving under him to run amok, procure judgments, and all sorts, threatening the people of Rivers State, because what they are trying to do is, we are going to remove FOBRA and nothing will happen. And I'm saying that if you remove FOBRA, something will happen. If you try to remove FOBRA, something will happen. And that is it. That is what I'm talking about. I'm not talking of any personal benefit. I cannot be appointed minister. I cannot be appointed into any board. I did not lobby for any board. I did not lobby for anything. So, it's not personal, like I said. Yes, I emptied my bank account. I spent over $2 million US. I cannot even count in Naira what I spent. And I did not take a dime from him or anybody except 10 jackeries who gave me 300 million Naira.
All right. Okay.
Well.
All right. We have to go now, unfortunately. But, I mean, it would have been great to interrogate your statement around working with the North for 2027 and you coming out to say that from now on, you're not working with the president anymore. So I just want to assume that the relationship with you and the president in the past, you're not taking it forward from today. So from now on, are you stating that you are now moving to the other side because you're no longer in support of just one statement? Just one statement, that you are no longer in support of President Bola.
I think you are misquoting me.
Okay.
I think you are misquoting me.
Okay, please then.
What I said was very clear, that our fathers worked with the North, and I was in the forefront fighting against our fathers, Melford Okilo, Arod Dababria, and so on. And from what Obasanjo had done, and Ahmed Bola Tinubu has done, we, the younger generation, we go back and align with the North, because that is where Bayelsa was created by Abacha, Tafawa Balewa put in place Niger Delta Development Authority, and so on and so forth. And for us,
okay,
I think our relationship with the North is far better than our relationship with any other people.
All right. Well, thank you very much for your time today. I mean, I'm sure this conversation is still ongoing, but we thank you for your time this morning.
Now, before I'll talk about other things, I'm very surprised how Asari Dokubo denied what he said and automatically reframed it. Asari Dokubo said without any iota of contradiction that he will stop working with the Yoruba people, that they are betrayers. And here is he trying to, defend what he said. I don't understand him. Asari Dokubo, what were you saying here?
We cannot work with the Yoruba people. They are betrayers to us. We risked our life, voted, did everything. That is it.
So many of you must have seen this video, right? I don't know why Asari Dokubo is just trying to deny what he said, or is he trying to be afraid of Tinubu? Anyway, Asari Dokubo have said so many things, maybe he did not remember. This was how he said that the reason why the APC government, including Tinubu, is not interested in fighting the military, who are doing bunker, sending illegal crude oil, is because that the government is afraid of military coup. He called it secret. Listen to him.
If you can't ask him, he's not dead. The president that they talk about, when I talk to president, since they don't want, make we keep secret. The press conference, now president tell me to go talk to press. Asawana. He don't tell me to talk anything, but he say, talk to the press. Now I talk to the press. I talk to the press. If they ask me the root cause of bunkering for you, I don't know if you talk. The people when they do the bunkering, I don't know if you call them. Why not?
Why not?
So make I go there and say, nah, a job boys they do bunkering. Nah, Ikore boys they do bunkering. No, Gori boys they do bunkering. Now lie. Don't be job boys they do bunkering. All the bonfire depot them. Now people wait there for army. Now they pay them, make them go to the thing. They collect their home, they give the people peanuts. Everybody knows it. Because we are afraid. Because people are afraid, say they go do coup. You do coup.
I've never been a Nigerian. Nations are not created by force or fiat. They are created by the people. The people's acceptance to be British. You saw Scotland trying to vote yes or no. Today, no Scottish man can say, I'm not a Briton, because majority of Scottish people have accepted to remain in the British Union under the British flag. Nothing like that had happened in Nigeria. We have demanded for us to be together. No Lord is needed to bring all of us together. What is needed is for us to sit down in a sovereign national conference.
So why not advocate for that instead of moving away completely?
We have been demanding for 30 years. I've been regular and I've been demanding for a sovereign national conference. People had opportunity to talk, but it was not sovereign. It had no power. It only have persuasive, advisory. No, what we want is an holistic national conference. A conference that the people will have the power to say, we don't want to be Nigerian. This is how we want Nigeria to be. We don't want a situation where somebody will arrogate to himself the power to decide the fate of other people. We want a Nigerian that recognizes that there are different nations, no matter how small they are, and they are accorded the same space in Nigeria.
You seem very passionate about Nigeria, and I find that very contradictory with you saying that you're not Nigerian. How do you balance that out, being so passionate and wanting all of these good things about this country?
No, if they say if you cannot beat them, you join them. How about not every one of us will join them? Look, what we're saying is about justice. It's about my identity as an Ijaw man. A lot of Nigerians talk nonsense on television. A Nigerian come on television and says, do not talk about ethnicity. So if I am no longer an Ijaw man, who do I become? I become a nobody. Don't talk about religion, politics. Ancestrally, I have Igbo blood flowing in my vein because my ancestors one of my ancestors came from Abom in Abam, and today I sit on that stool established by him as Alabo Diabal of the Kingdom of Calabar. Now, when you talk about democracy, it gives you a lot of choices. It is you to decide. Nobody is going to quarantine your decision. Nobody is going to give you, to tell you that, look, there is a no-go area for your decision making.